Hi, I'm Olga Shalamova. I've been working as iconographer with Tempera technique for about 20 years. Before I started preparing for this course, I watched several tutorials about Tempera. I was surprised to learn that they all teach that this technique is mostly for working with brush strokes and cross-hatching, not for creating smooth layers of paint. Meanwhile, from my experience, I know that this technique works in a variety of ways. Using the right amount of paint on the brush, we can create smooth layers or make smooth transitions. In this course, we are going to experiment with the consistency of paint, explore the characters of powdered pigments, learn how to use brushes professionally, how to apply layers evenly, and how to create a soft color transition. You will work with the tempera in detail, learning how to mix colors and how to prepare paint. I will show you everything that you need to know in order to paint with tempera with confidence. This course will be interesting for people who have never used this technique. At the same time, it will be informative for people with an iconography background who are still having some difficulties. The first part gives you the necessary base for using this technique by yourself. It will be good for any artist willing to paint with tempera, not just for an iconographer. Then you can proceed with the second part of the course and study how to use different methods for painting the face. We are going to learn and practice the sun-cure or proplasmos method and the sun-cureless or membrane method and the combined method. In each lesson, we will paint one or two faces and discuss the fundamentals. I hope at the end of the course you will be able to use tempera technique professionally and will understand which technique to use for different effects. In this course, we are going to train and practice a lot. So, I choose inexpensive but good quality materials to work with. Be sure to check the course description for the list of materials you will need.